In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use spells on students in Hogwarts Legacy and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, you can cast spells on most opponents in Hogwarts Legacy. However, if you try to cast it on other students, the spell will have no effect, or usually it is going to be blocked altogether. So you might be curious if there's any way to bypass this in the base game of Hogwarts Legacy. So you can try different spells, you can try going into the settings, changing a bunch of parameters, but the option seemingly is never available. So as of today, what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Basically, in the base game of Hogwarts Legacy, unfortunately, you cannot cast spells on other students. The game restricts using spells in a way that harms fellow students. So, there is a reason on why you might have seen something different. Because of the dueling club. During controlled duels in the dueling club, you can engage in spellcasting with other students. However, this is going to be regulated practice. But if you are in the overworld, just walking about, actually using spells on them is going to be impossible. So, you should not be able to cast it on the other students, and it seems like it's going to remain that way. Unless you download mods that modify the game, which I cannot guarantee are available for every single platform, such as consoles, then you will not be able to interact with students in a way in which you will be able to cast spells on them. So the only option that you have is to cast spells on the students during the fights in the dueling clubs. So when you use spells on students, they are simply going to be blocked. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using spells on students and why it's not possible to do so. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.